Hey there. So in today's video, we are going to create a hero section inspired by Tesla's design principles using Thrive themes. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more tutorials on using various WordPress page builders. All right, so let's get started. So before we jump into designing that hero section, let's take a look at Tesla's hero section that we're gonna be imitating here, and go over why we chose to use it as our design example. Tesla's hero section is a pretty good example of minimalistic design. The copy is very concise, focusing and highlighting like the most important features of the car that customers will care about. The buttons are also minimalistic. They're strategically placed, well designed, good spacing. They're easily visible without overpowering the image of the car, which is ultimately what they're selling, right? Now that we've talked a little about why we chose Tesla's hero section as an example to design, let's actually start designing the hero section. So first, we're gonna either create a new page or edit an existing one. So navigate to your dashboard. Then click Edit with Thrive Architect, enter the Thrive Architect editor. Now, the next step is to create a header in the menu. So once we're done on that page, let's multitask a little bit and go back and create a header. So since we already have a header in place, our goal is to enhance it by making really the necessary edits and improvements. So to edit the header, click on the one indicated by the cursor. Under the main options, first find the header and click Edit. There you have to create your desired design for the header. Next, we'll go into the header style, right? Now let's make the header similar to Tesla's header. What I'm going to do is choose a ready-made design, but it's up to you how you want to customize the header. You can start from a blank slate or choose one of the other designs. Next, I'll arrange the logo, menu, and the icons. What I like about the already made template is that it is easy for me to work with. I'll just make any necessary adjustments to the style. So it's much simpler and faster that way. After that, edit the menu by changing its name. If you're interested in learning how to create a mega menu, just comment down below. I'll make a separate video for that. And so if you've gotten this far in the video, we spend a lot of time making these videos, so if you can, just please do us a favor and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, now back to the tutorial, okay? So we're done with the header for now. Let's go ahead and add a section, choose a structure, and add a background image to the hero section, okay? So let's go back to the main page, click on the toggle button to stretch the screen width and height under the main options. And then next, select the background image under the background style. Here, you can upload a background image that fits the theme of your hero section. As you can see, the header and image are not overlaid as in Tesla's header. The header is positioned above the image, or we'll say it's positioned above the hero section. So we'll just adjust the header so it's overlaid. So let's go ahead and go back and edit the header. So now we're gonna overlay the header over the hero section. So go to the background style, click on the trash button to delete the solid background style, and go to advanced under your layout and position. Here you can choose a position if you want relative and absolute. Just put in the Z index to bring the elements to the front. So after editing, click update. Okay, let's return to the hero section, the main page, to ensure that the header is perfectly positioned according to our desired design. Okay, and now adjusting the background. So here you can make any adjustments to the background to your liking to meet your desired layout specifications. Now we'll just add in the heading and subheading elements, right? Drag and drop those in, customize the text to your liking. You could also add more text to provide more context, so you can add in multiple subheadings and whatnot. So Thrive themes offer extensive design typography options. So experiment with the different fonts, colors, and spacing to achieve your desired look and feel for your hero section. Feel free to play around with the layout design to see your preferences. And so if we're done with that, now let's add into the call to action button. So you're gonna want to add a container for the placement of your call to action button. So you can choose, a single column or two column layout or whatever you want. And then so just drag that call to action button in, and then customize it to your desired text and styling. And so you want the button to stand out, but you don't want it to distract from the design of your hero section. You want your call to action button to be on brand, but you also want it to be high contrast compared to your background image. So that makes it more clickable. All right, there you have it. So we just created a simple hero section, taking inspiration from Tesla's hero section. We did that in Thrive themes. If you really liked this video, or if you even liked it a little bit, please give us a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so you get more of our tutorials and so that our tutorials can reach a lot more people. Right? If you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the section below. Thank you very much, and until next time. Bye.